Do you want your battery to last longer, reduce eye strain, or boost your screen's sharpness when watching videos or gaming? These settings can do it all. Even if you're not using Galaxy S22 Ultra like I'm demonstrating with today, keep watching. Excuse me. I'll also explain how to find these settings on other phones like Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, and even iPhone users will learn something helpful. So let's start by opening your settings app. You know that gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. But for me, I like to access it from here. Settings, and you scroll down and tap display. This is on Samsung phone. You go on display. Then for Tecno, Infinix, you go to settings, display, then screen resolution if available. On OnePlus, it might be under settings, display, advanced resolution. For iPhone users, iPhone don't let you change screen resolution manually, but you can tweak display zoom under settings, then display and brightness, and then view to adjust how things appear, zoomed or standard. Now, going forward, on Samsung, so tap on screen resolution here, and you will see options like HD plus, FHD plus, and QHD plus. So the lower resolution equals longer battery life, and higher resolution equals sharper visuals. So choose what suits your need, then hit apply. Okay. On other Androids, on Tecno, Infinix, and some OnePlus models, you will see options like Smart Resolution or Custom Resolution. You can toggle Smart Resolution to let the phone auto adjust based on usage, or select a manual resolution if allowed. So here is why this is helpful. Are you watching YouTube or Netflix? Boost it to the highest resolution for crisp visuals. Are you low on battery or using maps all day? Drop it to the lowest setting and keep going without a power bank. Gaming, try mid-range resolution to balance performance and visuals. So depending on what you're doing, this one setting helps you customize your phone experience and save power. So if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips tailored to all types of smartphones. Let me know in the comments what resolution you prefer and on what phone you might help someone else out.